Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable lock screen widget or add widget to the lock screen on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL or any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 update. So by default, when you lock your device and swipe the left, you can see the widget section on the latest Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device. If you can't find the widget when you swipe the left from the lock screen, make sure enable the widget on the lock screen settings. To enable it, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to display and touch. Tap on a display and touch. Here you can find the lock screen option. Tap on it on your device. Now here you can see the widget on lock screen. So widgets when device is locked. So tap on it on your device. Now toggle on the option to enable widget on the lock screen on your Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL or any other Pixel device. To access your favorite widgets, swipe left from your lock screen. When you open an app using a widget, you will need to verify it's you. So to access the widget, swipe left from your lock screen. So lock your Pixel device and swipe the left and you can access the widget on your Pixel device. Now you can add the widget or remove the widget from the lock screen. So long press the lock screen, unlock your Pixel device. Now here lock screen widget setting, tap on got it. Now tap the widget you want to remove. Like we remove the clock on my device, so tap on it, tap on the remove to remove it. Now tap on the add widget option, so tap on it to add the widget from your default features section or a browse section. Here you can find the different widgets, lock screen widget you could add on your Pixel 10 device. So just tap on it and select it. Like we add this, just tap on it, tap on add, and you can see add the widget to your lock screen and tap on a done at the top right corner. So you can see set the widget on your lock screen. Just swipe the left of your lock screen. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.